Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add or remove card on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Temu application and make sure you're logged into it. So once you've opened up and you've logged into your account, so what are you going to do now if you want to add your card? So go to this U tab here. Alright, so tap on the U tab, click on it and then go to settings. So under settings, you will see your payment method. So click on payment method, and here if you want to add a card, just click on add card, and now give your card details. All right, fill in your card details here. So once you have done fill in, hit on add your card. Okay, so once you hit on add your card, this should add your card now. So now your card has been added, and that's done. So that's how you add your card. So suppose if you want to remove a card, so now when you want to remove a card, you simply the same thing, go to settings and so if you want to remove a card, same thing, go to settings and under your payment methods you will see your card here. So if you want to remove that card, just tap on it. Okay, just tap on it and hit on delete card, and it's going to ask you whether you want to remove this card. Just say yes, and then that's it, your card has been removed. So that's how you add or remove card on Temu application. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.